It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy, designer at the Furaha Method of Joyful Design. By the way, Furaha means joyful in Swahili. Real quick, please hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithms. And when you get a chance, please share this video. I'd really appreciate it. In this video, I'm sharing my fireplace makeover with black paint in my Afro Boho style living room. My entire home, including my home gym, is designed in the Afro Boho design style. I have been using this design style for many years, and I sometimes called it Afro Parisian, but today we claim it as Afro Boho. I really enjoy designing using the Afro Boho design style because of the 5 main characteristics. 1, an appreciation for artistry, craftsmanship, and individuality. 2, honoring one's heritage and legacy. 3, the use of bold, vibrant colors along with carefully curated neutrals for balance. 4, the harmony created from combining eclectic, complementary pieces. 5, blending modern, ethnic, and classic vintage furnishings and decor. There are many elements to the Afro Boho design style, but these 5 main characteristics you will find in any Afro Boho designed room. The best thing about a wood-burning fireplace is snuggling up, watching the flames, and feeling the warmth. When I moved into my 1925 bungalow, it actually looked like this. The fireplace was painted red, all of the walls were white. It wasn't my taste, but it had good bones. Shortly after moving in, I did a complete remodel of the interior of the home. The first color I painted the fireplace was this lovely shade of sage green. But after burning many a fire, I realized I wasn't going to be able to keep the fireplace facade as clean as I'd like. I hadn't settled on a color, certainly I hadn't settled on black, until I did the remodel of my kitchen. I decided to remake my kitchen by doing something unexpected, giving the cabinets a 2-tone paint job. For the lower cabinets, I selected Bayer's Black Mocha paint, and I fell in love. Some reviewers say that black mocha is more of a brown black, but as you can see, it does read as a true black. Now I was ready to paint my fireplace black. Bayer is a paint that I've used often. I really like the saturation, and it gives true color with just 2 coats. Ready for the tour? Let's go. The rich saturation of the black mocha paint is a beautiful contrast with the other bold colors in the room. Besides the fireplace, one of my favorite features in this room is the grass cloth wallpaper. Grass cloth is a lovely wall covering to use in an Afro Boho design style. It gives the room texture, pattern, and a natural element. True to the characteristics of the Afro Boho design style, I added something extra special to honor my heritage and my legacy. On the fireplace mantle, there's a framed photocopy of my second great-grandparents' marriage license dated January 1866. This room has all 5 of the main characteristics of the Afro Boho design style. Although black is typically viewed as a neutral tone, it serves as a feature accent in this rich, colorful room. Through the decor, I was mindful to select pieces that showed an appreciation for artistry, craftsmanship, and certainly my own individuality. This piece was painted by me. It's called Life Will Always Bend Your Way. I also had great fun in this room, blending modern, ethnic, and classic vintage furnishings and decor. One of my favorite pieces is this 1964 mid-century modern guitar pick table by Lane. Adding more elements of the Afro Boho design style to your home isn't hard. All you have to do is remember the 5 main characteristics. I hope this Fireplace Makeover Tour inspired you to complete your next DIY project. You definitely don't have to spend a lot of money when you go the DIY route. Whether you choose to paint your fireplace black or some other bold color, go for it. If you'd like to hear the deep dive on the Afro Boho design style, I've dropped the link to that video in the description below. Please let me know what was your favorite thing from this room tour. Thank you so much for swinging by my channel. Why don't you go ahead and click a link and watch one of my videos right now? Hey, you might even binge watch a few. So I will see you in the next video.